देखो अभी इसमें क्या है कि स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ह्यूमन हार्ट, स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ह्यूमन हार्ट, and you know very well there are four chambers of the heart, right? Auricle, uppermost receiving chamber are called as auricle, and lower distributing chambers called as ventricle. Now this is the right part of the heart, while it is the left part of the heart. Auricles are situated above side and ventricles are situated lower side or below the auricle. Now how many parts of the heart? Four parts or four chambers. Auricle to auricle, and here two ventricles, so 2 and 2 total 4 parts. This is the area, that means the right auricle opens into the right ventricle. Yes or no? This left auricle opens into the left ventricle. Right. Now look at here. This is the heart, and here actual internal structure. Which structure? Internal structure. Internal structure of the heart. Right. So these two auricles are separated by a partition called as interauricular septum. This is the auricle and this is also auricle. This is the RA, right auricle. Here left auricle, right? Here right ventricle, here left ventricle. Okay. So right auricle and left auricle is separated by the septum called as is in between, right? Auricular, that means two auricle के बीच में, right? So this interauricular septum, क्या कहते हैं इसको? Interauricular septum. So this interauricular septum which separates the right auricle and left auricle. Clear? Similarly, this right ventricle and left ventricle is separated by the septum called as interventricular. ये interauricular हुआ तो ये क्या होगा? Interventricular septum. So क्या हो जाएगा? Interventricular septum, right? Interventricular septum. Now interesting thing is that, so this is the right auricle and this is the right ventricle. So this opening of the right auricle into the right auricle into the right ventricle through a aperture or pore or valve. This valve is called as what? Atrio. What is atrio? Atrio means atrium. Atrio. This is the atrium. And now this is the ventricular. So atrioventricular valve. This is the valve. This is the what? Valve. This is also the valve, no doubt. So this right auricle and right ventricle के बीच में जो valve होता है उसको कहते हैं atrioventricular, मतलब एट्रियम और वेंट्रिकुलर के बीच में क्या है? वॉल्व है, उससे कहते हैं atrioventricular valve. Now this atrioventricular valve is also called as tricuspid valve. क्या कहा था बेटा? Tricuspid valve. I will tell you later on why it is called the tricuspid valve. Right? Now the valve present between the left auricle and left ventricle called as mitral valve. क्या कहते हैं इसको? Mitral valves. Mitral valve. Now this mitral valve is guarded by two sphincter muscles, and that's why it is called bicuspid valve. क्या कहते हैं? Bicuspid. Now this is guarded by three type of caudate tendon, right? And that why tricuspid. यहाँ पे दो रहते हैं, इसलिए इसे क्या कहते हैं? Bicuspid, mitral valve. Where the mitral valve present in between the left atrium and left ventricle. This left side of the heart there is a mitral valve, which is also called as bicuspid valve, while the right part of the valve in between the right atrium and right ventricle, this valve is called as tricuspid valve or atrioventricular valve. Clear? Now interesting thing is that how many chambers of the heart? 4. There are 4 chambers. Now right auricle, right ventricle, right auricle, left auricle, 2 chamber, right ventricle, left ventricle, 2. So total 4 chambers. So now right auricle opens into the right ventricle and left auricle opens into the left ventricle through tricuspid and bicuspid valve respectively. It means right auricle opens to the right ventricle through this tricuspid valve and left atrium opens into the means blood can enter from left atrium to the left ventricle through this bicuspid or mitral valve. Okay, so now these are the 4 chambers, 1, 2, 3, 4. Upper smaller chambers called as auricles or atria, which are called as receiving chamber of the heart, and these two parts receive the blood from the different part of the body. Okay, different part of the body. Now कैसे? So this right atrium receive the deoxygenated blood from the different part of the body, upper and lower part of the body through vena cava. I will tell you later on, है ना? So now then this left atrium receive the blood from the lungs, through pulmonary vein, okay. So now these two are the receiving chamber. So this right atrium receive the deoxygenated blood from the different part of the body, upper and lower part of the body, while left atrium receive the blood from the lungs through the pulmonary vein. So now this particular right auricle, in which superior vena cava brings the carbon dioxide deoxygenated blood from the upper part of the body, upper parts of the body, okay. So this is called what? Superior vena cava. क्या कहते हैं बेटा इसको? Superior vena cava. Now this another opening which opens into the right atrium and carry the deoxygenated blood from lower parts of the body. So that largest vein called as inferior vena cava. What is called? Lower most, that means inferior vena cava. Vena cava in the sense largest vein. वेना कावा का मतलब क्या होता है? लार्जेस्ट वेन. ओके, दिख रहा है बेटा? एंड ये सुपेरियर क्योंकि ये अपर है. ओके, सुपेरियर वेना कावा. इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग. नाउ अगेन हियर one of the opening in the right atrium. So this is the right atrium, no doubt. Here I have already mentioned. So यहाँ पे मैं रफ कर देता हूँ, ठीक है, क्योंकि अदर पार्ट्स हम क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेन करेंगे, राइट. तो आपको दिख रहा है, ऐसा कर रहा हूँ मैं. देखिए मैं ना थोड़ा सा चेक कर लेता हूँ मोबाइल में. बराबर है? हाँ, ठीक है. अब उसमें क्या होता है बेटा, देखिए this is the another opening, and now this opening present just near the superior vena cava, and that opening is called as coronary sinus. क्या कहते हैं इसको? That opening is called as coronary sinus. Now this coronary sinus is the opening of the coronary vein which collected the deoxygenated blood from the wall of the heart, okay, and transported or carried from the wall of the heart into the right auricle. Which blood? Deoxygenated blood. In this way, this right atrium is completely filled. This right atrium is completely filled with the carbon dioxide mixed blood, that is deoxygenated blood. Clear? Now, this is the left atrium. At the same time, when this right auricle is completely filled with the deoxygenated blood through this superior vena cava, which brings the deoxygenated blood from the upper parts of the body, right? And this inferior vena cava carry the deoxygenated blood from lower part of the body, and also deoxygenated blood from wall of the heart through coronary vein, which opens into the right atrium through coronary sinus. So these are the three openings by which the right atrium receive the deoxygenated blood from different part of the body as well as from the wall of the heart. Clear? Now, at the same time, this left atrium is filled with the oxygenated blood which comes from the lungs through pulmonary vein. So here two pairs. How many? Two pairs means totally 4. So two pairs of the pulmonary vein. Here one pair. Here another pair. How many? Total 4. So these are called as what? These are called as pulmonary veins. Pulmonary veins. Here two pairs. मैं लिख दिया यहाँ पे कितने? 2 pairs carry which blood? Oxygenated blood. So कहाँ से लाएंगी? From the lungs, है ना? So 2 pulmonary veins means 1 pair which brings the oxygenated blood from the left lung, and remaining 2 pairs of the pulmonary veins which bring the oxygenated blood from the left lungs. अगर 2 pulmonary vein right lung से oxygenated blood लाएगी तो बची हुई 2 pulmonary veins लेफ्ट लंग से ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड आएगी. आपको पता है कि ऑक्सीजनेशन टेकिंग प्लेस इन दी लंग्स, इन दी सरफेस of the alveoli. You know very well. I have already told you the detailed mechanism of the breathing, yes or no, and external respiration. We have seen external respiration in the alveoli, yes or no. So how the exchange of the carbon dioxide and oxygen taking place, है ना, in the blood and from outside the blood means oxygen incorporated or added into the blood means which combines with the hemoglobin. How these carbon dioxide which comes from the blood into the alveoli, yes or no? Okay, so the process of oxygenation taking place in the lungs, that oxygenated blood comes through this pulmonary veins. Here 4 pulmonary vein means 2 pairs, 1 pair from the right lung, another pair from the left lung carry the oxygenated blood from the lungs into and open into left atrium. So in this way oxygenated blood enters into the left atrium. So this right atrium is filled with the deoxygenated blood. This left atrium is completely filled with the oxygenated blood at the same time. At the same time, I am saying what? At the same time. And in this at this time, this valve. Tricuspid valve is closed. This bicuspid valve is also closed. Okay. Now, when this auricle gets contracted, when these two, right atrium and left atrium, gets contracted, then what happened? This particular valve opens, tricuspid valve as well as bicuspid valve, and this blood goes to the respective ventricle. Blood goes to the respective ventricle, means from left atrium to the left ventricle, carbon dioxide blood, and oxygenated blood from left atrium to the left ventricle. Understood? So, when the blood enters or passes from auricle to their respective ventricle, when the auricle gets contracted, how does the auricle get contracted? I will tell you later on the mechanism of breathing of the heart, functioning of the heart. Just I am going to tell you the what just general internal general idea about the internal structure of the heart and how the blood passes through the heart, and what is the actual mechanism I will tell you later on, okay, in the mechanism of heart beating. Okay, now then, so this particular one, अब क्या होता है कि ये पर्टिकुलर इंफेरियर वेना कावा, सुपेरियर वेना कावा एंड coronary sinus. So this opening of the inferior vena cava is guarded by the valve. This valve present in the inferior vena cava as well as in the coronary sinus, but not in the opening of the superior vena cava. Why? So very simple. This particular, when the auricle gets contracted, then blood again returns into the vena cava. Yes or no? Yes or no? But this superior vena cava, blood again passes reverse direction, so it comes downside because of the gravity. So that's why there is no problem. So there is no valve present in the superior vena cava. Clear? But in case of, if there is no valve present in the inferior vena cava and coronary sinus, then what happened? What happened? When the auricle gets contracted, blood passes reverse direction, means downside, here the different part of the body. Yes or no? And here again wall of the heart, deoxygenated blood. So it causes the harmful effect, damaging effect to the body as well as to the functioning of the heart. Yes or no? So that is why, to avoid the deoxygenated blood goes in the reverse direction, so there is a valve present in the opening of the inferior vena cava and the opening of coronary sinus. Now, what's the name of that valve? Right? So very simple. This inferior vena cava is guarded by Eustachian valve. What is called? Eustachian valve. And coronary sinus is guarded by Thevesian valve. What is called? Eustachian valve and Thevesian valve. Clear? Okay. क्यों कैसे मैं बता दिया. Now, when contraction क्या होता है? SA node, AV node, there is some particular conductive tissue of the heart. I will tell you later on. Just I am giving the idea about the internal structure of the heart. So now then, this is again interesting thing is that what? Blood here goes. Now then, this particular ventricle is completely filled with the deoxygenated blood, and now this ventricle, that is the left ventricle, filled with the oxygenated blood. Now then again valve gets closed. Now then ventricle gets contracted. Then what happened? And the blood present in the ventricle, so it can be goes into the auricle? No, because this valve gets closed. दोनों valve क्या हो जाती है? ट्राइकस्पिड एंड बाइकस्पिड क्लोज्ड हो जाती है उस समय. कब? जब ये ventricle contract होती है. Right? So this is the function of the valve. This is the very important function of the valve. what is the function of the tricuspid and bicuspid wall? This bicuspid, this is the left side में bicuspid, right side में tricuspid. Okay, I will tell you क्यों इधर tricuspid होता है, इधर bicuspid, वो भी बताऊंगा मैं तुम्हें, ठीक है? So these two wall, this is the right side tricuspid, left side bicuspid wall, which prevent the backward flow of blood from ventricle to auricle. Understood? From ventricle to auricle मतलब वेंट्रिकल से ऑरिकल में ब्लड वापस नहीं जाना चाहिए, रिवर्स डायरेक्शन में करके वो काम करती है. इट प्रिवेंट्स दिस ट्राइकस्पिड राइट साइड, बाइकस्पिड लेफ्ट साइड में होती है. ओके, सो दिस टू वॉल्व्स प्रिवेंट द बैकवर्ड फ्लो ऑफ ब्लड फ्रॉम वेंट्रिकल टू ऑरिकल. क्लियर? दिस इज द फंक्शन ऑफ द ट्राइकस्पिड एंड बाइकस्पिड वॉल. लेकिन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हो गया ये वॉल, तो ब्लड जाएगा कहाँ? वेरी सिंपल. There is here in the opening of the means in the right ventricle there is the one of the artery called as pulmonary artery. इसको क्या कहते हैं बेटा? pulmonary artery कहते हैं. and pulmonary artery के थ्रू ये कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड और ब्लड जाएगा. तो मैं इसको यहाँ पे लेबल कर देता हूँ. दिस इज द pulmonary artery. पल्मोनरी आर्टेरी, आर्टेरी कैरी कौन सा ब्लड? डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड. कैरी डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड टू किधर? टू लंग्स. राइट? यस सर नो? टू द लंग्स. नाउ टू द लंग्स. क्लियर? ओके. And you know very well, once this particular deoxygenated blood goes to the lungs, where is oxygenation taking place? Yes or no? And again that oxygenated blood collected via pulmonary vein and open to the left atrium. So that left atrium से कहाँ गया blood? This. अब दोनों एक साथ भरते हैं, तो दोनों कॉन्टैक्ट हो गए, तो दोनों का ब्लड इसका यहाँ आएगा और इसका यहाँ आएगा. अब इसका ब्लड राइट वेंट्रिकल का कहाँ चला गया? पल्मोनरी आर्टरी से कहाँ गया? लंग्स में चला गया फॉर द ऑक्सीजनेशन. इसका ब्लड कहाँ जाएगा? लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल का. तो लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल का ब्लड जो है वहां पे यहाँ पे इस प्रकार से क्या होता है? यहाँ पे होता है सिस्टेमिक एओर्टा. क्या होता है बेटा? सिस्टेमिक एओर्टा. राइट? एंड नाउ दिस सिस्टेमिक एओर्टा, दिस इज द सिस्टेमिक एओर्टा. ओके, इट इज आल्सो गार्डेड बाय द 3 semicircular wall. This pulmonary arteries are also guarded by 3 semicircular wall. Likewise, again yes, इस प्रकार से है ना, 3 semicircular wall. This particular systemic aorta, मैं यहाँ पे लिखना चाहूंगा systemic aorta. Systemic aorta. Aorta. Aorta means largest artery. Aorta means largest artery. And vena cava means largest vein. Vena cava का मतलब क्या होता है? Largest vein. Vena cava vein. Vena largest, cava vein. एओर्टा लार्जेस्ट आर्टेरी. आर्टेरी का बहुत बड़ा एओर्टा कहता है उसको. ठीक है? ओके, नाउ दिस इज द सिस्टेमिक एओर्टा. सिस्टेमिक एओर्टा, दिस इज द मैग्निफाइड व्यू ऑफ द सिस्टेमिक एओर्टा. एंड नाउ दिस सिस्टेमिक एओर्टा इज गार्डेड बाय 3 semicircular wall. This particular pulmonary artery is guarded. Opening of the pulmonary artery. Opening of the pulmonary artery is guarded by 3 semicircular wall. Here दोनों 3 semicircular walls. Okay, so what happened when this particular ventricle gets contracted because of the stimulation? So this particular blood of the deoxygenated blood from the right ventricle goes through this particular pulmonary artery into the lungs for the oxygenation, while this oxygenated blood from the left ventricle passes through the systemic aorta, oxygenated blood. Okay, and through the systemic aorta, and this systemic through with the help of systemic aorta, that oxygenated blood goes to the different part of the body. कहाँ जाएगा ये? सिस्टेमिक एओर्टा से ब्लड कहाँ जाएगा? ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड O2 ब्लड कहाँ जाएगा? डिफरेंट parts of body, different parts of the body में आएगा oxygenated blood, and you know very well oxygenated blood goes to a different part of the body where the all tissues and cell of the body utilize the oxygen, and in this way oxygenated blood converted into deoxygenated blood into the different part of the body. Yes or no? And that deoxygenated blood again collected with the help of inferior vena cava and superior vena cava. You know very well this superior inferior vena cava collect the deoxygenated blood from the body, different part of the body. So that this systemic aorta supply the oxygenated blood to the different part of the body where the cell respire and produce the carbon dioxide mixed with the blood, and that deoxygenated blood means carbon dioxide mixed blood collected from the lower part of the body with the help of inferior vena cava, and from carbon dioxide blood up from the upper part of the body is collected with the help of superior vena cava and opens into again right atrium. Yes or no? Yes or no? So likewise, this is what the cyclic flow of blood in the human heart. So human heart is definitely closed circulatory system, no doubt, but it is the double circulation. Human circulation is the double circulation. Why? Because at the same time two times blood passes through this heart. Okay, so one is at the right side deoxygenated blood passes, at the same time from the left side oxygenated blood passes, means at a time twicely blood passes through this heart, and that's why it is called double circulation. क्या कहते हैं बेटा इसको? डबल circulation. What is called double circulation? Human circulation is डबल सर्कुलेशन. क्यों? क्योंकि एक ही साथ में एक ही बार में दो बार हार्ट में ब्लड पास होता है. राइट पार्ट में डीऑक्सीजनेटेड, लेफ्ट पार्ट में ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड पास होता है. राइट. एंड कैसे कहा जाता है वो सब बता दिया. इसके पहले तुम्हारे को सिस्टमिक सर्कुलेशन भी बताया था, पल्मोनरी सर्कुलेशन भी बताया था कि नहीं? तो व्हाट यू मीन बाय द पल्मोनरी सर्कुलेशन? अगेन आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू. सो ब्लड फ्रॉम दिस right ventricle, when the right ventricle contracted, then blood passes through this pulmonary artery into the lungs where the oxygenation taking place, and then that oxygenated blood comes into the left atrium through pulmonary vein. This type of flow of circulation called as pulmonary circulation where lungs organ is involved. Second is the systemic circulation. सो कहाँ से कहाँ हो गया था? यहाँ से लेफ्ट क्या है, राइट वेंट्रिकल से लेफ्ट ऑरिकल तक हो गया था. ये हो गया कौन था? पल्मोनरी. अब यहाँ से लेके ये यहाँ तक आ गया था. अब यहाँ से अब यहाँ आएगा ब्लड. अब यहाँ से सो व्हेन दिस लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड, मतलब दोनों कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होती सेम, तो यहाँ का ब्लड लंग्स में आता है, यहाँ का ब्लड कहाँ आता है? डिफरेंट पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी थ्रू पल्मोनरी सिस्टमिक एओर्टा, और फिर वो डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड हो जाता है बॉडी में और वो कलेक्ट होता है इंफीरियर और सुपीरियर वेना कावा से. ओपन का होता है राइट एट्रियम में. तो लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल से ब्लड डिफरेंट पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी एंड कलेक्टेड इनटू द राइट atrium. That pathway, that flow or that circulation of the blood is called as systemic circulation of the blood. I have already told you, and I have already draw the flow chart in the previous class that you know very well, right? ये सब बता दिया था मैंने flow chart के साथ में. Third type of the circulation is the coronary circulation. What is coronary circulation? Pulmonary हो गया था, systemic circulation हो गया था. तीसरा है coronary circulation. And coronary circulation is a type of circulation in which the oxygenated blood supplies to the wall of the heart through coronary artery. समझे? Artery always carry oxygenated blood, you remember, and vein carry always deoxygenated blood, you remember, right? But in case of pulmonary artery and pulmonary vein, I have already told you there is an exception in the pulmonary vein and pulmonary artery. You know very well, vein carry deoxygenated blood, but in case of pulmonary vein carry oxygenated blood, right? And artery carry oxygenated blood, yes or no? But this pulmonary artery carry deoxygenated blood. So there is an exception in the pulmonary artery and pulmonary vein. Okay, but in general, artery carry oxygenated blood, vein carry deoxygenated blood. Clear? Okay. So now coronary artery carry oxygenated blood, no doubt. Coronary vein carry the deoxygenated blood. So what do you mean by coronary circulation? Coronary circulation means oxygenated blood supply to the wall of the heart through coronary artery, and that oxygenated blood is utilized in the cardiac muscle, that means wall of the heart, and converted to the deoxygenated blood. Yes or no? So that deoxygenated blood is collected with the help of coronary vein. Coronary vein, and that coronary vein opens into the coronary sinus, which opens into the right auricle. Yes or no? So this is the circulation is called as coronary circulation, means circulation of the blood in the wall of the heart with the help of coronary artery and coronary vein is called as